Hey, good afternoon, everyone. This is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Panovich. Just a quick update on the weather situation this afternoon. Nothing really severe out there. I don't anticipate anything getting too out of control. The one main threat we could have today would be some flash flooding. We've already got some showers and thunderstorms rolling into the metro area. You can see this line of storms, which extends basically from about the Boone area down through Lenore, and then extends all the way down to the South Carolina border. The heaviest stuff is actually right here in Lincoln and Gaston County. The interesting thing is there has actually been no lightning detected, at least cloud to ground lightning so far from this line as it's been moving in. So it's moving into the metro area. You notice temperatures are generally in the 70s out there. Dew points are sky high though. A low 70s, a very soupy atmosphere, very muggy out there. We'll turn off the temperatures and take a look at the Cape values, or that thunderstorm fuel. And you can see there is a good uptick in the Cape right across the I-77 corridor, about 3,000 to 4,000 Cape. That's pretty high. Now remember, Cape in and of itself is not a determination of how severe the storms are. It just means that the storms have a lot of fuel to tap into. Really, with the amount of moisture in the atmosphere and the lack of a lot of shear out there, I'm not anticipating organized severe weather, except for maybe eastern North Carolina. There's a small risk of some isolated severe storms. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center, you can see this yellow shaded area right here, is a slight risk for severe storms. The main threat obviously is going to be some straight line winds. But as we get to the west, more of this is just going to be storms training over the same area again and again. And the major concern this afternoon is likely going to be some flash flooding. I'll loop this a couple of times, give you an idea of what it looks like. So today, your chance of rain is about 70%. You're going to see waves of showers and storms. It's not going to rain the entire time. And if you get under one of these storms or downpours, if you wait it out for about 45 minutes to an hour, it'll pass, and you'll get into a break for a couple hours before the next batch. Now, we got to keep an eye on what's going on back here in Tennessee. It looks like a pretty good line of storms is trying to develop from Chattanooga to Knoxville all the way down to Columbus, Mississippi, and with sun now breaking out again ahead of it in Georgia, and that break in the clouds will head our way. We'll likely see a more significant line of showers and storms heading our way later tonight. Most of the short-range models indicate some pretty heavy rain moving in later this evening and even into the overnight hours. So that's just a quick update on what's going on this afternoon. I hope you're having a great day. Keep the umbrella handy and just keep an eye on the sky for the next couple of days. Things will start to dry out once we get to Wednesday evening and Thursday, Friday going into the upcoming weekend.